Hi, I'm Emma. Let me tell you about my day yesterday. I felt tired. I felt tired. I had a headache. I had a headache. I ran out of milk.
I
Ran out of milk. I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee. My chair was wobbly. My chair was wobbly. I broke my glass. I broke my glass. The bus was late. The bus was late. I missed the bus. I missed the bus. I took the wrong bus. I took the wrong bus. The traffic was bad. The traffic was bad. My bike tire was flat. My bike tire was flat. I got lost. I got lost. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. The road was bad. The road was bad. I tripped on the street. I tripped on the street. I fell down. I fell down. My shoe was dirty. My shoe was dirty. I hit my head.
I
Hit my head. A dog chased me. A dog chased me. A mosquito bit me. A mosquito bit me. A mosquito bit me. I dropped my phone. I dropped my phone. I lost my keys. I lost my keys.
I cut my finger. I cut my finger.
My stomach hurt. My stomach hurt. I felt sick. I felt sick.